Ali, and welcome to Afroscandic, where we celebrate and connect African and Scandinavia. The world's largest offshore wind energy conference and exhibition, EWEA Offshore 2015, was recently hosted by the European Wind Energy Association in Copenhagen, Denmark. Afroscandic was there as one of the conference delegates during the 3 days conference. The event was a success with over 8,000 participants from 54 countries, 430 exhibitors, and 100 international journalists. The event welcomed a number of high-level ministers from 4 different countries, including Rasmus Helveg Petersen, Denmark's Minister for Climate, Energy and Building; Ibrahim, Baylan, Sweden's Energy Minister; Damien, English, Ireland's Research and Innovation Minister; Reizniece-Ozola, Latvia's Minister for Economy; Lidegaard, Denmark's Foreign Minister; Henrik Sass, Larsen, Denmark's Minister for Business and Growth. The event ambassadors are Samuel Leopold, the Executive Vice President for Wind Power at Dong Energy, Denmark; Jens Tomerov, CEO Vestas Offshore Wind; and Michael Hannibal, CEO Offshore of Siemens Wind Power Division. The key topic of the event was United Industry, and industry leaders came together to commit to sharing knowledge and building partnerships in order to develop the industry. CEOs agree that no one wants to be the leader in a dying industry and that collaboration will not kill competition, but rather make the industry as a whole stronger and more competitive. This is Afroscandic, where we connect African and Scandinavian. Stay tuned. Hello viewers, this is Samuel Olumiwale for Afroscandic, and today we are at the European Wind Energy Association hosting in Copenhagen, Denmark, and I will be glad to speak with a representative of NKT Cables. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Martin.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Could you please tell us more about NKT Cables?
Yes, NKT Cables is a Danish company, part of the NKT holding in Denmark. NKT Cables is producing cables of all types, going down to house installation and up to very high voltage land cables and submarine cables. Myself, I'm working in our office in Cologne, where we produce every submarine cable the company is selling.
Thank you. And if people, the customers, want to purchase one of these cables, how could they contact you?
I think preferably through our website, where you have, especially for medium voltage cables, you have certain sales responsibles. Of course, here on the trade fair, but on the website you find contacts for every purpose, more or less.
Thank you. And before you go, could you tell us the advantage of buying these from you, NKT Cables?
We have very high quality cables, very long experience in producing cables. The Cologne factory is more than a few hundred years old, so there's a lot of experience in Cologne and in Denmark. I think one of the biggest values from us is our flexibility. So we are not fixed with designs. We are very open for discussion also with customers to fulfill their wishes.
Thank you. I will just take a look at some of these products that you have.
Yes, please go ahead.
What is the name of this one?
This is a termination for medium voltage. So that's used for terminating a cable in a wind turbine.
Okay.
So when the cable comes up to the turbine, then you have a switchgear, and this is the end which is installed on the cable and plugged into the switchgear.
what type of where is this used actually?
For example, in the Baltic Sea, in the first commercial wind farm that was built in the Baltic Sea in Germany, called Baltic 1. There it is used in the wind turbines producing the energy.
So the companies that need this product, they need to buy these as separate products and couple it together, or how do they?
We normally offer the whole system. So we offer cables and accessories like these terminations, joints to connect cable lengths to one length. And for high voltage we also offer the installation. So really the fitting those accessories onto the cables. And for medium voltage we normally have subcontractors, but we offer the service to our customer because then we know who is working on it.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome. Cheers, and enjoy the rest of the fair.
Thank you. First, this is Samuel Olumuwale for Afroscandic, and today I am with Renewable UK, the voice of wind and marine energy, and I'm going to speak with Clara Daly, who she's going to tell us more about what they do. Could you please tell us more about Renewable UK?
Yeah, certainly. So Renewable UK is the trade body for wind, wave and tidal power in the UK. So we represent those industries in the UK, we represent them to the government, we lobby on their behalf, we represent them to the media, so we will issue press statements and release reports, statistics, and we represent them to the public, so we have a lot of information on our website and a lot of public-facing campaigns.
Like how many organizations are under the UK Renewable?
So we represent around between 550 and 600 organisations, and they're from all across the industry. So they're project developers, turbine manufacturers, lawyers, consultants, banks. So any company that has anything to do with wind, wave or tidal power in the UK can be our member.
Okay, coming here to Denmark, what is the advantage, or have you gained something, or what is the purpose?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we're a sister organisation with EWEA who organise this show, and the UK is the world's largest offshore wind market, so a lot of the projects that are built in UK waters are very international in nature, so a lot of Danish and Swedish developers develop in the UK, and the parts will come from all across Europe, and it's very much a European industry.
That's great. Lastly, what could you say about Copenhagen?
The city?
Yes.
It's a great city. I love it.
Thank you for your time.
Okay, no problem.
Today we are at the European Wind Energy Association in Copenhagen, Denmark. And today I have one of the exhibitors here who want to tell us what they are into. Hi, Sue.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. So what do you do in these? Can you tell us a little bit about your company?
Yes, we are a company manufacturing Reizniece. We make Reizniece since 1964. Everything is handmade in Finland. So it's a Scandinavian European production. And we're very proud to be the leading manufacturer of this type of suites for the wind energy industry.
What is the advantage of having this type of protective?
The advantage is fully dry, waterproof working clothing that you can wear all day if you like, and not sweat, be completely comfortable and flexible with your clothing, and still, in the worst case, you are completely protected even if you have enough water. So complete protection against the elements.
That sounds cool. Then if people want to buy these, how do they get contact with you?
You can easily go into the website goodsuit.com, and also we have local agents, local dealers in many countries, especially here in Denmark. We have several active partners.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
The principle is to take the own.